product here today is a single row retrofit bearing, and we're going to install the center stud and make it a complete assembly. And applying on doing that, you want to make sure when you're applying the force of pressing the bearing that you're doing it on the inner race, not the outer race. While pressing down, you don't want to put too much force because you'll cause damage internally to the actual bearing. After you've pressed the bearing, you want to inspect, make sure it's seated properly. Oil the bearing if everything's good to go. Apply the O-ring on the center stud. Apply the center stud nut. And it's a finished assembly. Once finished, you'll put in the bag and you're good to go.